is a used 2009 Honda Odyssey. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a HomeLink system, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Curry Motors Frankfurt is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 9423 West Lincoln Highway, Frankfurt, Illinois, 60423.